See,
सभी क्लाइंट मिलते हैं, बीजी के भी मिलते हैं, टेली के भी होते हैं, मार्क के भी हैं।
अंडरस्टूड सर। तो हमने क्या किया है कि ये जो अभी करंटली जो हमने सॉल्यूशन बनाया हुआ है, वहाँ पे हमने करंटली टैली के अंदर एक हिडन मोड डाला हुआ है, जो आपका डेटा हिडन मोड में आपका रहता है।
Yes.
ओके, आपको अगर बीज का या अपना मार्क ईआरपी का आपको प्रोटेक्ट करना है, आप प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जो हिडन मोड फीचर है ना, वो हमने वहाँ पे नहीं डाला है, बिकॉज हिडन मोड का प्रोसेस हमने जो टैली के डेटा के साथ किया, वैसा हमको मार्क ईआरपी के डेटा को समझ के करना है और बीजी के डेटा को भी समझ के करना है।
नहीं, वो तो सही बात है। जैसे अब टेली का डाटा तो अपन जानते हैं डेटा फॉर्मेट में होता है, और मार्क का डाटा और बीजी का डाटा की फॉर्मेट अलग होती है। तो
यस,
क्या
इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
क्या
हाँ,
सेम
इसीलिए मैं बोल
प्रोसीजर, क्या सेम प्रोसेस होगी क्या उसमें भी, मार्क और
नहीं,
बीजी?
उसके लिए हमको प्रोसेस चेक करके हमको उसको डेटा कैसे हाइड कर सकते हैं, उसके प्रोसेस को समझना पड़ेगा, और उसके डेटा का बैकअप सोल्यूशन। मेन तो हाइड करना इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, वो हाइड तो हम कर देते हैं। मेन प्रॉब्लम है उसको सॉल्यूशन, जो बैकअप सॉल्यूशन जो जिस तरह से उनका होता है, जैसे उनका डेटा समझना पड़ेगा कि कितने कभी किस टाइप के उसके फोल्डर्स बनते हैं, फाइल्स बनती है। जैसे टैली में सिंपल है, उसका कंपनी वाइज फाइल बन जाती है।
हाँ,
तो आपको समझो कि कोई कंपनी को आपको हिडन रखना है, फॉर एग्जांपल कि आपके कई कंपनी है जिसको आपको हिडन रखना है, आपको उसको
हाँ,
दिखाना नहीं है, तो आप दिखा सकते हैं यहाँ पे।
ओके ओके,
समझ गया?
जी
तो
जी।
मार्क का हमको समझना पड़ेगा, मार्क इसका बिजी का।
मेरे कस्टमर तीनों के हैं, टेली के भी है, बीजी का भी है, मार्क का भी है।
आप
अब
सर कहाँ
चूंकि
से हो
टेली
सर?
आजकल, टेली की रेट जो हाई होने की वजह से मार्क में जा रहे हैं लोग बाग, या बीजी में जा रहे हैं, तो वहां पे थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आ रही है। वो कहेंगे यार हमारा रेट सिक्योर होना चाहिए।
ओके, अंडरस्टूड। तो आप है कहाँ से सर, कौन सी सिटी से?
मैं सर राजस्थान से हूँ, जयपुर में डिस्ट्रिक्ट से।
मतलब जयपुर सिटी में है ओके, फिर
जयपुर रूरल रूरल एरिया है मेरा सर।
रूरल एरिया है। ओके,
टेली
अंडरस्टूड।
पार्टनर हूँ मैं।
ओके, और कितने कस्टमर से आपके सर ओवरऑल,
अभी
नंबर
मेरे
ऑफ?
पास जो कस्टमर है वो 60 से 70 के बीच में कस्टमर है।
60 से 70 कस्टमर है।
हाँ,
ओके
टेली के, बट वो बीजी वाला, वो मार्ग वाले वो अलग है।
ओके, वो सब कितने हैं सर?
वो सब होंगे, मतलब कंपैरिजन ऑफ टेली, वो तो कम ही है सर संख्या में,
कम ही है।
20-30 ही होंगे लगभग।
ओके, तो बेसिकली आपका मतलब टोटल ओवरऑल कस्टमर गिनेंगे तो मतलब आपके 100 के करीबन।
नंबर ऑफ कस्टमर लगभग 80, जिसमें मेरे पास चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट और अकाउंटेंट वगैरह ज्यादा जुड़े हैं, तो वो मोस्टली टेली से ही है, क्योंकि उनका तो बीजी से कोई रोल ही नहीं है।
बराबर है।
अब उसमें सिंगल यूजर भी है और मल्टी यूजर भी, यूजर है, दोनों ही
अंडरस्टूड,
है।
अंडरस्टूड, अंडरस्टूड, अंडरस्टूड। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, अभी मैं आपको शेयर करता हूँ मेरी स्क्रीन, जस्ट थोड़ा।
ओके।
सो अभी हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। अक्षय, कोई आने वाला है अभी और कि हम लोग चालू कर लेते हैं?
सर
वी
अभी
कैन स्टार्ट सर, बीच में आ
करेंगे
जाएंगे।
सर, बीच में ज्वाइन करेंगे सर, अभी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, आप स्टार्ट कर लीजिए।
ओके, थैंक यू। ओके, सो मिस्टर अनिल, यू देयर सर? मिस्टर अनिल, कैन यू हियर मी सर? अनिल जी, मिस्टर अनिल, कैन यू हियर मी?
यस सर।
बोलिए सर, आपके बारे में बताइए सर, आपका क्या बिजनेस है?
Yeah, hi sir. This is Anil from Bangalore.
ओके, गुड सर।
Company name called Venture Solutions. We are into IT service and sales.
ओके,
Okay, we have almost 90 to 120 live customers. We have live companies. We are going to give the all IT supports and sales,
ओके,
tally.
ओके,
Yeah, totally we are into IT.
so you are totally into IT,
Yes.
understood. Okay, and what type of customer you have sir?
We have multi customers, sir. We have tally users, we have busy users, and we are maintaining the all servers and desktops
Okay,
like that.
okay, understood. So what type of customers requirement you are getting regarding the data control or something you are getting from the customer requirement?
Yeah, so we are using a server share folder, secure the data and tally data, and single desktops monitoring. Okay, some few design companies, they are getting scared that we are missing the data.
Understood, understood.
So that kind of people we are looking for the software and these details.
Okay, understood. No problem. So we have a solution for this, sir. So we'll show you in some time. Just bear with us. Thank you, sir. Nice introduction, sir. Mr. Dhruv Shah, you there? Mr. Dhruv, can you please unmute yourself, Mr. Dhruv? Mr. Dhruv, Mr. Ajay. Okay, so let me start the presentation and okay, so here today we are going to cover with agenda is that we will let you know that what is our mission, company mission, what purpose of Secura Guard, why we have started the Secura Guard and what is the purpose of using the Secura Guard, and how your data is getting out of control. Then we will introduce our product Secura Guard. Okay, then why you become a partner with us, we will show you the product demo, and then we will discuss about the pricing, and then any questions and answers are there, you can ask. Okay, this is our today's agenda. So let's start. So first, let me start. Before I start, I need to ask some questions to my partners. So Mr. Anil, Mr. Kamal, who were able to speak, please speak here. So I have a question here that whatever the data your customers are generating, and even you're in your organization, you are generating the data. Do you think your data is in your control? That nobody is allowed to copy, nobody is allowed to share, nobody is allowed to do anything with your data, and data is in your 100% control? Mr. Anil?
Like, see, we are trying to make it secure. We are giving the in the server, in the sense we are giving the security. Only Anil can access the data. Okay, like that rules we are giving.
But do you think that whom you are giving the rule and you are providing them some rights, they are allowed to edit, they are allowed to copy? Okay.
Yeah, we are giving. That's what.
Yeah,
See, my clients is getting scared. There is the point.
Yeah.
Company owners, they are not believing the employees itself.
Perfect. That's a major issue, and because of that, the data is and actually data is not in your control. Why? Because your employee can do anything with your data.
Correct.
Okay, right? So our solution, our mission is simple, is that you can understand the simple line. Our mission is to put you back in control of your data. This is our mission, sir. Simple. Okay, so now you understood our majorly about our product. Understood. Right? So now the purpose of Secura Guard, why we have started Secura Guard with the tally, protect the tally data first. Okay. So we understood the requirement from the market and from the partners. We already have some tally partners all over India, and they given us the requirement that, okay, so data is getting theft, data is not getting, means tally data is not secure and all that thing. So that's the reason we come up with this product, and these features are the thief proof. So your staff, your hacker, means it might be your hackers, or accidental loss will not happen with the Secura Guard. So staff can't thief your data. Okay. Safe from the mistakes and disasters means if your device, means hard drive or anything is happened to your computer, like that crash or might be hardware issue or whatever issue, your data is secure. Accidental loss means corrupt files, anything will happen. It will not create any problem with your data. Ransomware also will not affect your data. Secret and invisible mode, show only what you want. Means whatever the files means, like for example, in your tally, you have 10 company data and you want to show only 5 to your employee. You can show that you use from our application. You can show them, because we provide you a private area where you can store your important company data. So then when you log in with the private area password, then you will able to see, otherwise you can't see. Okay. And we also provide you invisible mode, means your data is there, but nobody will be able to see your data. Nobody will be able to see your data. Nobody. Okay. Now intruder proof. So whatever the data you have, okay, in your system, and suppose somebody is trying to log into your system, and you will get alert. Suppose somebody is trying to enter the wrong password, you will get alert. You can block the device from remotely. Okay. Even we provide you a app burn password, means you can burn your device anytime, means data will be deleted from the devices. Okay, so that is also possible in secure. Spy proof, safe from the spying tools. Means suppose any software is installed in your system which is recording your activity, like what you do, what type of data you're opening and everything. So recording and everything will not work here. Okay. Now, who do you think is the real danger of the data and subsequently for the business? I want to ask a question to everyone. If suppose you are not able to speak, please message in the chat box that who do you think is the real danger for your data? Is it technology or is your people? Who do you think? Mr. Anil, can you please answer you?
Sir, can you repeat the question? I'm not able to hear you. Can you
Okay.
repeat the question?
Okay, everybody can hear me properly? First, let me confirm because it's a problem with my mic.
No, sir, we can hear you.
No,
Okay,
my mic problem.
Okay, no problem. So who do you think is the real danger for your data and subsequently for the business?
Same employees, sir.
Perfect, sir. That's true. So answer is the people. The answer is the people. The people are the biggest assets of any organization, and however, they are the biggest threat for any businesses. Okay.
Correct.
And many business suffer from the data loss because of human errors. Human makes mistake, computer doesn't make mistakes. Whatever the rules you set, computer work on accordingly, right? And what we believe that the data loss, you are also responsible, your employees are also responsible, your business partners, cyber attackers are also responsible for the data loss. No matter you are a CEO or a company owner, you are also might be causing a data loss. How? Let me explain you. So, you know that ransomware attacks are happening, phishing attacks are happening, CEO fraud attacks are happening. How many people has experienced these attacks? And if suppose some attacks might happen to yourself, are you sure that you are not able to fall into that attack? Mr. Anil?
Yes, sir. I have faced so many clients, more than 15 clients.
No, means you face, but what I'm trying to say, if you are getting into this type of attack, are you 100% sure that you are not going to fall into this type of attack? Even yourself?
No.
Why? Because nobody has given you awareness or training about that. Perfect. And that is the biggest issue, because nobody is aware that how these attacks are happening. Like simple example is COVID. Government has given us so much advertisement, awareness is given by the government that everybody is aware that how the COVID is happening, what COVID symptoms are there, what to do, what not to do, everything is given. That's the reason we are aware about the COVID, and that's the reason we are able to safeguard ourselves. The chances of not see awareness is not like they are make sure that you are not going to get this attack or you are not going to get the COVID, but the chances of getting into the fall into the COVID or fall into the attack will be less, and that's what we say that awareness is important. Okay, so now let me go with the next slide. So how your business get out of how your business data is getting out of your control. So what, based on our research, we found out there are three ways of your data is getting out of your control. One is intentionally, second is unintentional or accidental, or third is falling into the cyber attacks. And this is the three ways only the business data is getting to the out of control. So let me give you the example so you can understand pretty easily. So intentionally means your employees might do malicious intention. They might have malicious intentions by a disgruntled employee or want to take revenge, anything. They might do you deliberately copy the data and give it to someone. You can't stop that right now because you are allowing them to copy, you are allowing them to work, because otherwise how they are going to work. So we have to provide them feature facility. Even we have a firewall, even we have antivirus, that is not going to help us. That is not going to help us. That is going to help us from the external attack, not from the internal attack, means your employees. Okay. And if your employees want to do corrupt your data, delete your data, anything they want to do, they can do it. They will do it because you are providing them the rights and you can't stop there, right? So how you are going to secure? Okay, that is the question. Now, your employee might be unintentionally, might be they are very means like they are loyal to you, but might be accidentally they provide some data to outside of your organization by typing the wrong email. We are sharing the file to a wrong person, through a cloud, anything might happen. And once the files are shared or email are sent and received by somebody download, you can't take back. You can't take back anytime, right? So that is also a problem. Now, lack of awareness of data sensitivity. They are a good, loyal, but they don't know what type of data they are working on, what the data security they need to do. They are not aware. Okay, so they are also falling to them. Then they might be falling to the attack. Like how they are working on important data. They copy the data in USB and put USB unattended, and don't know whether the data is copied by somebody else. They are not aware because they are not. They have not given any training. We have not given them any training. And same way, falling into the cyber attacks of, right? So this is also one of the problem. Okay. Now, why your business needs to take control of the data? Why? And this is why I'm giving you the education here, just to make you share that you can also provide the proper answer to your customer when you are selling this product. So you can, and this is also important, which is not for our product, but it will help you to understand why the data business needs to take control of their data. So first thing, data is your intellectual property and your backbone of the business, right? And like unlike the traditional world, means this we are living in the digital era, digital world. And the major issue with the digital world is your data, multiple copies of data you are generating and you don't know and you are not aware. Because let me give you one simple example so you can understand why I'm making this statement. Simple is that. Okay. So Mr. Anil, please unmute yourself because I'm calling you again and again because other people are facing some issue with the mic. So Mr. Anil, please help on this. Okay. So Mr. Anil, if you're sending me one mail, simple mail from your account to my account, my email address, how many copies you think minimum copies will be generated of your mail?
1 copy.
Okay. Anybody wants to answer? Please answer in the chat box if you understood the question correctly. अगर मेरा एक मेल मैं करता हूं, किसी मुझे कोई करता है, तो उसकी कितनी कॉपी मिनिमम बनती है? एक मेल की कॉपी कितनी मिनिमम कॉपी बनती है? मिनिमम. Okay, I am giving you the answer here. Minimum, sir, 4 copies will be generated. So let me explain you how. So 1 copy is in your signed item from where you are sending the mail. 2nd copy in your mail server. 3rd copy in my mail server, and 4th copy in my computer. If I'm using my mobile, so then I'm creating multiple copies, but minimum 4 copies will be generated. And people think the data is secure because some organization you, Mr. Anil, you are aware that you have some company corporates, they are internally sending mails, so many mails to internal people within the organization. And they have a firewall, they have all the data security, but they don't know that 1 copy of their data will be generated on the mail server. And you know that mail server are the weakest server, easy to hack.
Correct.
And they are not aware that data is on high risk. Okay, and that's the reason I'm giving you this example. And the major other problem is with the digital era is your data is in front of your computer. Like you can see in I open my C drive and I can see my important folders and everything, but I don't know because I'm connected to the internet. I don't know how many people can connect my computer and copy my data, and I'm not aware how many copies of my data is generated. And this is also one of the biggest problem because we don't know how many copies are generated. So to overcome all this issue, this I highlighted here the issue so you understand what is the advantage of our product. Okay. So to overcome this issue, we come up with the product Secura, in which we already have a Secura Work and we have a Secura Cyber Shield. Okay. So what these products are actually doing. So what we have done here, whatever the data you generate, your email data, your cloud data, everybody can hear me? Because I can see my internet is unstable. That's the reason I message.
We can hear you.
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay. So whatever the data you generate, like in your computer, we lock at the source. That is our philosophy. जो भी data तुम्हारा ताला मार दो, send through an email, upload on the cloud server, whatever, whenever you want to keep, lock करके पहले रखो. So then what will be the advantage here? if your employee is making copy of your data, they will not get anything, because what we have created here system is that your employees are in your control. Your employee is not controlling you. You are controlling your employees. Means whatever the data they generate, it's in your control, not your employees' control. So if they share the data, you can allow them to share to outside, share to within the you can allow them to particular user only. So for example, they are allowed to send, for example, 5 email addresses only, 5 customers only, or 10 customers only. You can do that with Secura. You can also view audit log, whatever the employees are doing, whatever the files they are generating, whatever the emails they are sending, you can see the audit log. You can ask them, why do you send this mail to that person? Why you copied this file? Why you generated, why you saved this file there? You can ask them. Okay. And even they copy the files, you can take back anytime. You can take back anytime. Why? Because what we have done, the data is generated in the encrypted format and the keys in your control. So for example, your data is generated, I copy the data and I try to open, it's encrypted, so I can't open, I require keys, and keys you can take back anytime. And that's how we provide a different features in our Secura. Okay. Now another program, another product, we have Secura Cyber Shield. Now let me tell you what Secura Cyber Shield. As I explained you previously, that nobody is aware how phishing attacks are happening, social engineering attacks, fraud attacks are happening. Okay. So what we provide you, we test your employee with your phishing attack, mock attack, like fire brigade people. What they do, they come and show you mock drill, how these fires are happening and how to overcome with this fire. Okay, the same way we provide you the tool, you can do the attack on your employees, and you can check whether your employees are equipped with that attack or not. They understood. So basically, when you actually experience how the attacks are happening, then the next time when actual attack will happen, the chances of falling to attack will be reduced. And that is our philosophy. Simple is that we require awareness, we require a training, and we also have a different type of awareness employee training modules. Like we have more than 200 training modules where we provide you email security, cloud data security, local data security, what to do, checklist, everything we have. Okay. On all these videos are small video, 2 to 5 minutes videos that people will not getting bored say watching these videos. And after that, giving them giving them knowledge, awareness, we take the assessment exam, so you can see that whether your employee understood or not understood. And if they pass the exam, we will provide them a Secura Cyber Shield certificate also. Okay. Now here the important thing is our mission is to convert your employees into human Cyber Shield for the Secura Cyber Shield. Okay. So you can sell this product to your customers, which is very good product. Okay. Now let me go further. Okay, so what we provide in Secura Guard security, we provide tele data security, we provide cloud data security, instant messaging, and local storages. We have another product security in which we have provide email security, cloud data security, local data security. We provide all type of security, but I'm right now highlighting Secura Guard here. Okay. Now, what type of features we provide, control we provide. So you can take back your data anytime. Take back your data anytime. As I explained you, data is locked, so you can take back your data anytime. We provide you allow copy, allow forward, allow edit, allow share outside, delete, print. All these features we provide. We provide audit log. We provide IP blocking system also. App burn feature also. Okay, so you can burn your device anytime. Means your employee's device also you can burn anytime. We provide you hide mode. We provide you safe mode. We provide you private secret area. That is also we provide you. Okay. Now, why you become a partner with us? So before I start the next topic, anybody has a question, please ask. Anybody has a question? Please ask.
Till now, no, sir.
Sure. Okay. Thank you. So why you become a partner with us? So you know that data security and technology is over $1 trillion business, and this application is designed specially for SMEs because the big companies, they all have already own IT support staff. Okay. and they are constantly monitoring their data. But small, medium-sized organization, they don't have their own IT support in infrastructure team, which completely continuously monitoring their data. Okay, and that's why we designed this system, which is help them to protect, control their data. Okay, so now you can get involved with this solution, which is providing continuous offer to your long-term, means they, which we provide continuous long-term benefits to your customers. Okay, you can grow your income by selling this product as an add-on to your existing as well as new customers. Some of the partners are creating offers like they bundle the product with the Tally, they bundle the product with the renewal system and all that things. So they're selling this product with the add-on solution. Okay, earn 25% commission on each and every sales, and subsequently for this business, subsequently for the renewals. Okay, so now we also provide you opportunity to gain additional income, no upfront and joining fees. Currently, we are not providing, because right now we are providing this as a free, but within some time, like after 15th of May, we are now starting with the paid partnership. Okay, so before that you can join, and you can join as a free right now. We are providing support marketing material to expand this business free. We are not charging anything. Okay, we are also providing you training also that you can, and we also provide you a Secura product free of charge to your organization. As a partner, you can use our product as a free, because when you are able to use the product and when you see you want to show the demonstrate to your customer, you can show the demonstrator from your side only. So that's the reason we provide our partners this product as a free, but you need to register within 24 hours, because if then you will able to, you are eligible for the free product. Otherwise you won't get this product as a free. Okay, now keep customers safe from the digital arm. This is the biggest advantage for your customer. So it means like benefit to your customer, like you act as a doctor for your data, for their data. Okay, so now anybody has a questions, please ask. Before I start with the product demo, please ask any questions anybody has, please ask. किसी को कोई क्वेश्चंस या क्वेरी है तो प्लीज पूछ सकते हैं। अश्मित, कोई है किसी को क्वेश्चंस?
अगर आपका माइक नहीं चल रहा है तो आप चैट बॉक्स में भी डाल सकते हैं। I think there are no questions. We should move on, sir.
Okay. There are two issues. मतलब मेरा I'm good. It means I'm good to explain the product, or might be they are not understanding the product at all. Okay. Okay. No problem. So anybody?
एक बार फिर से।
Sorry. Nilofer, what you said?
मैंने कहा कि सर एक बार फिर से पूछ लीजिए, अगर उनको समझ में आया है तो।
हाँ, मैं वही पूछ रहा हूँ, इसलिए दोबारा पूछा मैंने, 2 times. Okay, no problem. So let me start to share my screen. Okay, you can see my product. Everybody can see my product.
Yes.
Okay, good. So now
my screen is coming blur. I don't know about others.
Your screen is coming blur. Might be an internet issue. Let me check. Well, let me share again.
No, sir,
Okay.
it's blur actually.
Blur. Okay. Okay. Good. Then now you can.
Yes. Yes.
I share again. Thank you for letting me know. So now you are seeing, means somebody is awake. Good. Thank you. Just joking. Okay. So in Secura we provide cloud. We provide Secura File Explorer. We provide Secura Office only for Secura Work, not for Secura Guard. Okay. We also provide you settings modules, and we also provide you IM instant messaging modules. Okay. Now, how this Secura works. Okay. So let me show you in my computer. I have a Tally data. So just hold on. Let me go to the. Okay, let me go to the Tally folder. So normally Tally folders like this. Okay, so what we have done, we in settings modules, in the settings modules, We provide you privacy settings where we provide you feature which is password protected by the admin password. So you are the admin and you can enter your password, then this module will open, which is securing your folder. Okay. So I'm just right now unlock my folder, unsecure my folder, unsecure my folder. Okay, first. So let me unsecure my folder first because I already secure my folder. So now you can see the data folder now. Okay. So generally, you can see now, generally data folder if tally is like this. आप सब लोगों को दिख रहा है यहाँ पे?
Yes, 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 sir.
Okay, good. So डेटा ऐसा होता है. अभी मुझे वो डेटा को प्रोटेक्ट करना है. तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? मैं प्लस बटन पे क्लिक करूंगा, मेरे सी ड्राइव में जाऊंगा, मेरे टैली फोल्डर में जाऊंगा और ये डेटा फोल्डर को मैं सिलेक्ट करूंगा. ओके, आई विल सिलेक्ट द डेटा फोल्डर. ओके, और ये जो डेटा फोल्डर है उसके 3 डॉट में जाके मैं उसको लॉक करूंगा, मतलब मैं हाइड करना चाहता हूँ तो हाइड कर सकता हूँ. ये मैंने हाइड कर दिया. अभी जैसे हाइड किया, देखो अचानक ये डेटा हाइड हो गया और आपको दिख रहा है ये डेटा फोल्डर विजिबल ही नहीं है. ओके, यू कैन सी डेटा फोल्डर क्या आ रहा है एरर. विंडोज कांट फाइंड सी ड्राइव tally.erp9/data, check the spelling and try again. Even in the CMD. ओके, मैं टैली मतलब कमांड प्रो में जाके मैं डेटा ओपन कर रहा हूँ तो आपको क्लैरिटी हो जाए कि उसमें भी नहीं दिख रहा है एलिमेंट नॉट फाउंड. इवन मैं दिख रहा हूँ dir/ah ऑल हिडन फाइल दिखा हो, उसमें भी नहीं दिख रहा है. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ वी प्रोवाइड यू अ सिक्योरिटी. तो आपका डेटा हाइड हो गया इस तरह से कि आपका कोई एप्लीकेशन में दिखेगा ही नहीं, एनी एप्लीकेशन. ओके, सो हम आप बोलोगे फिर टैली कैसे चलेगा. So what we have did, we have provided the program feature, which program you can add, which is allowed to access this hidden folder. Okay. So मैं अभी Tally application select कर देता हूँ because मुझे Tally application को allow करना है. And now you can see when I click on 3 dots, I have not enabled right and मैं Tally चालू करता हूँ. Okay. Now you can see मैंने go to the select company, मुझे कोई कंपनी दिख नहीं रही आपके सामने, बराबर है. अभी मैं आपके सामने टैली एप्लीकेशन को आई एम जस्ट एनेबलिंग एक्सेस, मैं उसको एनेबल किया मैंने और अभी मैं जाके उसको सिलेक्ट कंपनी कर रहा हूँ तो देख सकते हैं मेरा डेटा दिखना चालू हो गया. यू कैन सी माय डेटा इज ओपन नाउ. ओके, एंड आई कैन वर्क. बट इवन व्हेन आई एम वर्किंग इन द टैली, लेट मी चेक आउटसाइड ऑफ द अदर प्रोग्राम लाइक विंडोज एक्सप्लोरर में जाके देखता हूँ. यहाँ पे भी मुझे क्या दिखा रहा है, चेक स्पेलिंग एंड ट्राई अगेन फोल्डर है ही नहीं. इवन मैं जा रहा हूँ डॉस कमांड प्रोम्प्ट में, मुझे भी क्या दिखा रहा है, एलिमेंट नॉट फाउंड. मतलब कि मेरा फोल्डर है कंप्यूटर में, डेटा भी है, लेकिन बाहर कोई भी एप्लीकेशन टैली के सिवा कोई नहीं देख सकता इसको. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ वी प्रोवाइडेड अ सिक्योरिटी. ओके, नाउ अभी हो गया हमारा टैली डेटा सिक्योरिटी. आपके सामने देखो ये टैली को मैं बंद करता हूं. फॉर एग्जांपल आपके सामने मैंने डिसेबल कर दिया, देखिए बंद कर दिया टैली को. अभी मैं वापस टैली में जा रहा हूं, सिलेक्ट कंपनी, मुझे डेटा नहीं दिख रहा है. जैसे एनेबल करूंगा तो दिखेगा, नहीं करूंगा तो नहीं दिखेगा. जैसे अभी वापस एनेबल कर रहा हूं, नाउ यू कैन सी व्हेन आई गो बैक इट्स शोइंग मी. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ our security works. First thing is that now what we provide another options. अभी मैंने आपको बताया टैली चालू बंद किया मैंने अभी आपके सामने, और अभी मैं एक बता रहा हूँ एक टैली मोड है, वो क्या करता है, what टैली मोड is doing. So when I click on the tally mode, what we are doing here, whatever the data is there in your computer, we upload on our Secura cloud with encrypted data format. Okay, so let me show you. When I click on the tally mode, now I am going to the Secura cloud. Now you can see this Secura cloud का हमारा ये मॉड्यूल है. Okay, अभी हमारा Secura cloud का मॉड्यूल है. Let me close and start again because Secura cloud में आपको दिखाता हूँ. Taking time to because ये अपलोड हो रहा है, अभी हमारा Secura cloud में अपलोड हो रहा है. ओके, ओके, So now let me show you Secura Cloud में ओपन कर रहा हूँ. ओके, यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे Secura Cloud करके हमारे पास है और उसके अंदर मैं जा रहा हूँ, एक मिक्सिंग हो रहा है और मेरा जो डेटा है कंप्यूटर में वो डेटा सब मेरा चला जाएगा Secura Cloud में और वो भी एनक्रिप्टेड फोल्डर के साथ, एनक्रिप्टेड डेटा के साथ. अभी मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, ये देखो मेरा फोटा सब सॉरी मेरे जो फाइल्स है वो सब मेरे एनक्रिप्टेड चलेंगे सिक्योरा एक्सटेंशन के साथ. अभी मैं आपको बताता हूँ व्हाट इज द सिक्योरा एक्सटेंशन मींस. मैं आपको एक डेमो टेस्ट फोल्डर में बता रहा हूँ. You can see here all the files are encrypted with the Secura. Okay, you can see it's XLS file, document files, all these files you can see, right? So now when I open the Microsoft Excel, okay, any files, so you can understand how it works. और हम बोलते थे ना कि आपका डेटा सिक्योर करेंगे, लॉक कैसे करेंगे. तो whatever the data is there, based on the extension you can secure, based on the folders you can secure. जो भी folders को secure करना है वो secure कर सकते हैं. You can. Okay, now when I open any file, sorry, I open the XLS file now. When I open any XLS file, now you can see the data is in encrypted format. You can see this. So suppose your employee is taking this file, copying this file, sharing with anybody, he will not get anything from that data. Even they download Secura, they install the Secura, they will not get, because they require key to read that mail or read that file. Okay. So this is how we provide you data security. Now how it's work? So मैंने अभी आपको सामने मैंने लॉक कर दिया, मैंने फाइल अपलोड कर दी. अभी मैं आपको टैली में चालू करूंगा, यहाँ से बाहर से टैली चालू करूंगा तो टैली में कुछ नहीं दिखेगा मुझे. भले मैंने एक्सेस दिया है टैली को, लेकिन टैली में कुछ नहीं दिखेगा डेटा, बिकॉज ऑल द डेटा इज अपलोडेड ऑन द क्लाउड सर्वर. नाउ यू कैन सी नो डेटा इज इन द कंपनी, इन माय कंप्यूटर. नाउ कैसे चलेगा? तो हमने क्या किया, विद इन द Secura when the user logged in, you can see the tally icon. When I click on the tally icon, अभी देखिए फाइल्स डाउनलोड हो गए और डिक्रिप्ट हो गई और मेरे कंप्यूटर में टेम्पररी में आ गई. और देखिए यहाँ पे मेरा काम अभी दिखना चालू होगा. एक मिनट, टेम्पररी में आएगी मेरी फाइल्स. एक सेकेंड, मैंने उसको हाइड किया था, जस्ट सॉरी, यहाँ पे मैंने उसको निकाल दिया था. सो मेरा डेटा अभी आ जाएगा, लेकिन एक मिनट, ये डाउनलोड होने में टाइम ले रहा है मेरे कंप्यूटर में. जस्ट वापस मैं कर रहा हूँ. Let me start the application again. So basically what we do, हम आपके डेटा को सर्वर पे रखते हैं और सर्वर से बाद में डाउनलोड करके डिक्रिप्ट करते हैं और उसके बाद हम आपको यहाँ पे टेम्पररी में दिखाते हैं, वो भी हिडन मोड में. और जैसे आपका काम खत्म होता है वापस डेटा सर्वर पे चला जाता है. एंड दिस इज आवर प्रोडक्ट वर्क. और दूसरा फायदा क्या है कि whatever the data you upload on the cloud server, you have a backup copy, means like version copy. So for example, you have worked on 1st of May, 2nd of May, 3rd of May, and you want that okay backup of 1st May, you can take from the Secura. Okay, so आपको क्या मिलेगा, डे वाइज आपको बैकअप भी मिल जाएगा, आपका बैकअप भी आ जाएगा, आपको ये सब फीचर्स Secura में मिलेंगे. Okay, so anybody has a question here, please ask. किसी को कोई क्वेश्चंस या क्वेरी है, प्लीज पूछ सकते हैं. हेलो, इज एवरीवन कैन हियर मी?
We can hear you.
Okay, because I'm not hearing anything from the. Okay, now you can see डेटा आ गया मेरा. और मैं अभी इसमें जो भी काम करूंगा, मैं जैसे ही बंद करूंगा मेरा डेटा सर्वर पे चला जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली. नाउ व्हेन आई क्लिक क्लोज दिस, ऑटोमेटिकली मेरा डेटा सर्वर पे चला जाएगा. ओके, सो इस तरह से ये प्रोडक्ट काम करता है. और आपके कंप्यूटर में डेटा रहता ही नहीं है, आपके कंप्यूटर में डेटा रहता भी नहीं, और जो रहेगा तो फिर हिडन मोड में रहेगा. कोई उसको देख नहीं पाएगा. Nobody will be able to see that folder is there in your computer. Like for example, अभी भी मैं देखो डेटा फोल्डर करूंगा, है मेरा डेटा फोल्डर, लेकिन मुझे दिखेगा नहीं. Okay. So please ask the question. Anybody has a question, please ask. Mr. Anil, Mr. Kamal.
This is okay. I don't have much questions, but the small doubt is, see, this is a tally, whether we think as a server. Okay. So now, example, the clients are using multiple companies.
Yes, multiple companies. Perfect.
Okay.
Agreed.
They want to switch it.
Yes.
They'll play like copy paste, copy paste. I'll go to this folder, I'll go to that folder.
Yes.
So
they can
each
do
and
it.
everything we need to then that scenario it won't work, I think so, right?
It will work. It will work. Let me show you how. Let me show you how. It will work. Because this is not only one folder you can secure. You can secure multiple folders. Okay. Let me show you that also. Okay. So I have created one private data folder also because it's not visible here. I will show you here. एक सेकंड. And till that time, I will show you the pricing part. Sorry. So product pricing. Hello.
Yeah, sir. Sorry to interrupt. We have two more questions. One is
Yes.
from Mr. Jigar Shah. So
Okay.
he is asking whether the system will get slow.
No. System will not get slow. System will
And
not get slow. Yeah.
and other question is from Mr. Manish from Computer Care. So
Yeah.
ये सर्वर पे कैसे जाएगा? कॉन्फ़िगरेशन दोबारा बता दोगे?
ओके, मैं बता देता हूँ. श्योर. और ये वीडियो भी हम आपको शेयर करेंगे. डोंट वरी. तो आप वापस वीडियो से भी देख सकेंगे. ओके. सो जस्ट मैं आपको ओके, मैं आपको वापस चालू करके दिख रहा हूँ. मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है, सिक्योर दिख रहा है, राइट?
यस.
हमारा पहले तो है ना सिक्योरा में स्पाई प्रूफ है ना, तो हमारा शेयरिंग ही नहीं होता है, इसलिए मुझे सब स्क्रीन है ना यहाँ पे दिखाना पड़ता है. ओके, आई विल शो यू फर्स्ट क्लाउड, कहाँ पे आपका डेटा रहता है. ओके, ये क्लाउड है जहाँ पे मैं गया. ये क्लाउड दिख रहा है सब लोगों को, सिक्योरा क्लाउड. यहाँ पे गया मैं, मेरा सी ड्राइव यूजर्स, ओके. तो ये मेरी फाइल्स आ गई सब. अभी यू कैन सी दिस वर्जन मैनेजर, यू कैन सी द डिफरेंट वर्जन ऑफ माय फाइल्स. सो हमारा डेटा सर्वर पे ऑटोमेटिक जाता है हमारे सिक्योरा के थ्रू, और जो भी डेटा आप करते हैं चेंजेस, उसका आपका वर्जन मेंटेन होता है. आप देख सकते हैं डिफरेंट वर्जन. और जब भी आपको पुराना वर्जन कोई भी डेट का निकालना है, मेरे को 27 मार्च का निकालना है, 24 मार्च का निकालना है, 23 मार्च का निकालना है, मैं यहाँ से क्लिक करके निकाल सकता हूँ अपना डेटा. ओके. अगर मुझे डिलीट भी करना है, मैं डिलीट भी कर सकता हूँ. इट्स माय चॉइस, एडमिन का चॉइस है ये. ओके.
This backup, 1 month backup will be there, or 365 days backup will be there. What is the backup procedure?
Whatever the number, because we have not kept any limit. You can take any number of backup, any number of backup. It's not a problem.
Done.
Yeah. You can delete if you want to delete, because we provide you 5 GB space. If you're running out of space, you can remove some of the files, or you can purchase more space.
Okay, so 5 GB will be free. Other than that, whether we need anything means we need to purchase it, right?
Yes. And then if you're going for the multi-user, sir, so per user we provide 5 GB. So if you are going for the 10 user, then you will get 50 GB, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Right? Understood. So I think somebody has a question. Sorry, I missed that question or misunderstood the question. Please again ask.
तो सर मनीष सर का सवाल था कंप्यूटर केयर
ओके
तो उनको पूछना था कि सर्वर पे कैसे जाएगा ये कॉन्फ़िगरेशन दोबारा बताएंगे।
ओके सो सर्वर पे एकदम सिंपल है व्हाट वी डू हमने ऑटोमेटिक रखा है सो देयर इज नो नीड टू गो एंड तो अभी मैं सेटिंग में जा रहा हूँ वापस ओके मैं सेटिंग में जा रहा हूँ यहाँ पे मैं सेटिंग में जाके मैं यहाँ पे प्राइवेसी सेटिंग में गया एक्टिव फोल्डर लॉक पे गया और यहाँ पे मेरा पासवर्ड डाला एडमिन पासवर्ड ओके मैंने एडमिन पासवर्ड आपका डाला यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे देखिए मैं फोल्डर में गया नाउ व्हेन आई क्लिक ऑन 3 डॉट्स जो भी मेरा डेटा है एंड यस सर आई वांट टू शो यू मल्टीपल प्रोडक्ट आल्सो राइट व्हेन आई क्लिक ऑन द टैली मोड इट ऑटोमेटिकली टेक द बैकअप नाउ यू कैन सी I also added the one more product, one more folder, private data. Let me remove this data first. Private data. Let me mark as unhide. Just hold on. Okay, successfully decrypted. Yes, good. Okay. Now you can see in my computer, the folder private data is there. So you can see this other folder which is multiple files, more than that data files. You can see this, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can add multiple folders. It's not an issue. You can add multiple products. So when you start the tally, what we provide you is the option that which folder you want to open.
Okay.
If you have a multiple choice, if you have a single choice, then by default that folder will open. So for example, I have provided you, you can access my private data as well as my normal data. You can do that. Then another options we provide. You can see in my computer private area. Okay.
Okay.
So what we provide a private area also. So you can secure any data. Let me show you. So मैं private area में गया मेरा private area का password डाला. I enter my private area password and I enable my private area and apply it. When I apply, it will ask me to re-log in because it will refresh my application and it will show me some of the hidden folders and files which is I'm not allowed to view in the normal password. Okay. So now I open the private area. You can see this icon. When icon is there, that means private mode private area mode is on. You can see top icon. Okay. Now let me show you again. So how this private area works. So when I go to my cloud folder, okay. Now when I go to the Secura Cloud, C drive, users, Manshu. Okay, now you can see some of the folders files are there which is marked as a private. You can see this icon.
Yes.
So these files are not there previously, but I've started the private area and I can see some of the files now. Okay. So
Okay.
this is how we provide a double, means like a private area, security, and all that features are we provide. Even you can secure your any folders or anything you can secure. You can upload on the cloud. You can click on plus and you can upload, which is there in Secura World. Okay. So I think everything, I mean all the features I explained now. Okay. Now I will show you the pricing. Secura pricing is for the single user tally. We charge 5,000 rupees, and for the multi-user we charge 3,500 per user. Okay. And GST will be extra. And now join our mission in putting people back in control of that data. Take time to control your business. Secura. It's our product. So please now ask the questions. Question and answers are there. So please ask the questions now.
So if you want to